We are at the beach. Dolly. Woo. This water is quite cold. We are in Florida.
Welcome to Florida. This is our first beach trip since we've gotten the van.
We were just in the winter before coming here, and we kind of just wanted something different. We wanted something a little bit warmer, beachy, kind of give a test run to Baja, see if we're gonna like that. And this is our first day at the beach. We just got here, and Dolly already hates the water, as she always does, but
maybe this is the trip that will change her mind, though. We'll see.
We shall see.
The last time we were at the beach was probably 3 years ago.
Yeah.
Kyle got shingles. It kind of ruined our Hilton Head experience. That's where we used to always go in South Carolina.
Yeah.
And since then, we've not been back. I also got stung by a stingray on that trip, so.
Yeah, that was not a very fun trip. Hopefully this one will redeem
our beach experience. Girl.
So I didn't grow up going to the beach. Melissa did. I honestly have no idea what to do at beaches other than just like chill and sit there and walk into the water. But the water's like slightly too cold right now to walk into, so I really don't know what to do
Well,
here.
normally people sit out and tan and read books. Or they surf or boogie board or one of the boards. The problem is we're not really like sit out and tan kind of people. And it's too cold to boogie board right now, so.
Yeah.
But we'd have a nice picnic.
Yeah.
And Dolly's having a nice time trying to get out of her leash. She's trying to give herself a walk. We are doing putt-putt or mini golf, whatever you call it.
Yes. Oh boy. Which one should we do?
I feel like we've got to do the pirate one.
The pirate one?
The pirate
or
one seems
the T-Rex
cooler.
land?
T-Rex and
Man.
So put your predictions in the chat right now. Who's gonna win? His poor face.
What?
Look at his face. And his fingers. Oh no, I guess that's just his cup.
It's the Isle of Tortuga.
Last time we did putt-putt, it was in Nashville, and I think we each got 2 hole-in-ones. But I still lost by a lot, so we'll see. Okay, I get 1 practice shot, just for funsies. Okay, practice shot, but if it's good, it counts. Got it? Okay. Yeah, that's why we did the practice shot, people. That's why we did the practice shot, people. Oh, okay. Whew. Tiger Woods would make this in 1 shot. Keep going. Oh man, so close. Hole in 3. All right, here he goes. The master at work. Woo! No way. Okay, good. Hey, hole in 2. All right,
Here we go.
This is gonna be the hole in 1.
Can she make it? Oh!
Aw, that was such a good start.
That was close. That was so close. All right, so
Corkscrew or bust. You don't hit the corkscrew.
Corkscrew or bust. So what we're talking about is this is the hole, but you can just hit it easily around to that.
Yeah, but that's so boring.
It is boring.
That's for quitters.
So we're making a rule, you have to go through that. If you miss it, you have to come back through it. You have to hit it all the way back and go through it again.
Okay, I'm thinking it's gonna take at least 5 tries to get through there, but we'll see.
5?
Well, yeah,
5 is a lot.
Well,
I think you can do it.
If it actually spins around.
You can do it. You can do it in less than 5.
Okay, all right, we'll see. We'll see.
Ooh.
Aw.
Attempt
Here we go.
number 2.
Number 2. I feel like I'm giving away all my secrets by letting you watch this. Oh, lordy. Okay. All right, I'm making you go now. What the frick? Did you actually do it?
Yeah.
Okay. He cheated. You little cheater. Oh my.
Oh my God.
That scared me so bad. It's like motion detected.
This is like wall drug level of
Oh my
production
gosh.
quality.
If you don't know what we're talking about, go watch our episode about South Dakota. Okay, here you go.
Yay! Ooh, it almost went in too.
Whoa!
Hole in 3.
Kind of. Like, how do I do this?
Moving it forward. Or, I don't know. Oh my gosh.
Maybe I can hit it left-handed. Oh no, wait.
Oh lordy.
Yeah. This is the same thing. No, it's backwards.
It is totally backwards.
I'm gonna go for it. Maybe this will be my home one. Maybe I'm really left-handed.
The lefty golfer. She's Phil Mickelson over here, guys.
Oh, that was really good. Okay. Okay. Apparently the lefty shot's the way to do it.
Okay, so what's your strategy
So I'm
here?
gonna go hit it really hard and go.
So you're gonna hit it all the way around and then come back and go into the hole.
Yep.
Okay.
I mean.
All right, let's see it.
Okay.
Oh my God!
Okay. Maybe that's a little too hard.
We have a runaway ball.
I didn't realize that was the hole.
Oh!
Oh my gosh, that was so close. It like ran around the hole.
Okay, this is quite the hole. You start here, you hit it all the way around.
So basically hit it really hard,
And then
but not
come
so
back
hard
over
that
there.
it bounces out.
Wow. Oh, it's still going. It's got a ways to go still.
Dang it.
Oh!
Oh, it sloped down.
Yeah.
Hole in 2.
Hole in 2.
Oh, dang it.
Dang it.
So close, but so far. Spin a real one, Tortuga Island.
Spin a real one. We just left Putt Putt and we were starving, so we decided to order sushi because why not when you're right next to an ocean and you're not in a landlocked state such as Tennessee? And also ramen. Yummy, yummy, yummy.
Let's
All
eat.
right, let's eat. Well, good morning, or rather just good afternoon. We are at, what is it called again?
Fred Gannon Rocky Bayou State Park.
Yeah, that's a mouthful. And we are gonna do some hikes around here, kind of check out the area. This supposedly was a military,
World War II bombing practice
yes.
range.
And so hopefully we don't step on a landmine, but pretty sure they would have cleared them all out by now. So Dolly is in tow and living her best life, getting all the sniffs. This is some strange moss right here.
Looks like soap bubbles almost.
Looks like what?
Looks like soap bubbles. gets a bathtub, a bubble bath.
No, they don't allow dogs down there, Dolly. No Fido. Here's one of the constant struggles of van life is whenever we go on a hike, Dolly's paws are so incredibly dirty.
Let's show him now.
And she tracks it all in the van.
Okay. She's like, do not pick me up. So stop 2 on our dog-friendly tour of the Panhandle. Bring Fido out told us about this one. This is the Air Force Museum, and it's just a bunch of planes. You can walk around outside. So.
Yeah, they also have an indoor museum, but this is a B-17 that we're standing in front of, and they also have just like so many more that you can get to. They also have an SR-71 Blackbird that we're gonna walk over to in a minute.
Kyle's gonna be nerding out this whole time.
She's not wrong.
This is my favorite plane because of the painting that's on the front. Look at this.
The First Lady. But also, you get a little skeleton holding a minigun.
The plane has a gun on it. Is that always a thing? I think I need to watch more World War II movies.
This is a modern plane.
This is my second favorite because it has a cute ghost on it holding like a paintbrush. No, a purse and a lightning bolt.
A lightning bolt. The crown jewel of this Air Force Museum, the SR-71 Blackbird. This thing is wild looking. Woo.
Whoa! This thing went from LA to Washington, D.C. in 1 hour.
Yeah.
2,000 miles per hour.
Yep. It's the fastest plane ever built.
Crazy.
This is a MiG-21, a Russian fighter from World War II. Or no, not World War II. After World War II, post World War II. Does it make you want to go watch Top Gun?
I don't know. I've never seen it, so I don't even know.
What?
Wow.
Okay, we have to watch Top Gun. Those are such good movies. This is interesting. So the main plane in the center over there, whenever you walk by it, if you keep looking at it, it always looks like it's pointing at you. So as I go by, it constantly points towards me. We just spent the past, what time is it? 2 hours? Something like that? Sitting in the parking lot or exploring this Air Force Armament Museum. We made lunch, chilled out, and now we have made the decision to drive back to Tennessee tonight. There is a winter storm that's potentially going to be happening in between Florida and Tennessee, and I'd rather not get caught up in that and have like a repeat of our last major trip where we were trying to drive through Colorado. Yeah.
Might hit up some thrift stores on the way, some antique stores.
Yeah, that's true.
See if there's anything interesting.
See if all of the snowbirds that moved to Florida, when they downsize, they got to get rid of it somewhere. So it's got to go to some thrift stores. We've already seen so many here. So I don't know. We'll see what happens. All right, let's go. Well, we are headed home to Tennessee. This winter weather was just kind of looking a little bit too gnarly, a little too unpredictable, so I really just wanted to get home, and she also is going crazy. But we stopped at
the world's
Buc-ee's.
greatest gas station.
We have
I told him to get me some good snacks, so let's see.
Cajun crackers.
Ooh,
Stop it,
that's
Dolly.
kind of fun. Okay.
And then the big prize, assorted fudges.
Okay.
Fudge variety pack.
That sounds good. Dolly.
I know
You can't
she
have
is
any because you're a
obsessed.
doggy.
Well, we pretty much have done this whole drive in the dark. So there has been 0 chances to record pretty much anything. And we're only about like 2 hours away. I guess my concept of time has kind of shifted in terms of like how far things are away from us, because days in the van, you know, we're driving like, sometimes we're driving 10, 12 hour days, and really Florida is only 7 hours away, which just seems so close.
Yeah.
Like it's like, whoa, this is crazy.
Like 4 p.m. Like we had like a whole day.
I know, and we're still gonna get home before like 11:30 p.m. Wild. Absolutely wild. So we have about 2 hours left, and we're gonna get home tonight, and then be in the comfort of our home whenever this winter weather storm, cold temps, or whatever we're getting hits. So I guess we will end this video right here in the parking lot of Buc-ee's. What better place to do it than right here? Until then, goodbye.